Today we're going to be showing you how to make dominoes using Magna tiles. These are tiles that have magnets on them, and we're going to be trying to make some dominoes using these. And we're using these squares, and we're just going to put them like these, and then put another here. And then you do that, you put one in the middle, and then we're just gonna flick them, and then they're gonna all push. We're also going to be trying to make these dominoes using other shapes like these triangles. Brother's gonna flick it here. 3, 2, 1. Wow! We're gonna try these small little triangles to make dominoes. We just have to clean this up first. They're not very hard to clean because they have magnets. So now let's make another type of dominoes. I don't think this is gonna work. Maybe it will. So let us see. Experiment time. No, it's not like this. I think it's like this, right? No. Okay, do we have... Push it, push it, push it. No, right now. No, we gotta see if it works. Push it. Okay. It doesn't work. Why? Yeah, this is gonna work, I think. I'm gonna bake it. Now I'm going to try mine. Look at this. Look at this. Do it. It does not work. Am I done? Let's see. Look at mine. No. Okay, check mine. Oh. Check mine. Look at mine. Now we can try them with these big squares. What? As bases. Oh, so these are bases. So these are bases, and then these are on top, right? Yeah. Well, you make the base, I'll put the top. Is that gonna? No, it doesn't work. Yeah. Or let's try it with these. Okay, these big. Yeah, we're using those and these. Oh! Like, huh? It's not working. Let's just try only with these, okay? So like the squares, the big squares, and then these on top. Okay. Right? It is. Because these are obviously going to touch each other. Yeah. So now let's test it out. Now we're going to do it with these triangles. This is going to be the base. No, it's not going to work. It doesn't reach. Wait, we have to do another way. What if we use these ones? Wow. For the base? It's not going to work. If you use these, okay. Maybe like a circle. Maybe that's going to work like this, right? Yeah, this is going to work, I think. Let's keep going. Let's test it. Whoa! Did you see that? That actually went like this. It went in a circle. It went in a circle. Yay! let's use the big guys. Oh, now I want to yeah, there. Now let's test this out if this even works. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it does. It only did these two. It works. Oh, because this is more. No, because this is. I think this will work. Try. 3, 2. No. Oh, yeah. Here. Yeah, not here. There. 3, 2, 1, go. Oof. Please like and subscribe and watch our other videos that we've uploaded. Bye. Bye.